Hi guys, if you are the owner of a Toyota Camry, then this video will certainly interest you. I found and purchased such a device, an odometer blocker, on the internet. Super Kilometer Filter, that's the name. You can also search and learn more about the product. I'll leave the link in the description of this video. Let's get down to business and install our blocker. First, remove the front plastic panel from the speedometer so that you can see and remove the screws. After removing a few screws, we can take out the speedometer and plug it in. There you go. I promise you won't mess up, because every plug is original and fits right. Now, as for activation, there are two ways to do this. First, activation from the buttons on the steering wheel. I would like to mention here that different buttons are used for different car models. You can find information about your specific vehicle model on the product website. By the way, they also have a YouTube channel where there are installation videos for almost all car models, and if you don't understand something, you can watch video tutorials. Let's go back to our blocker. In our case, it can be activated by pressing and holding the cancel button for 10 seconds and repeating the same to deactivate it. And also, from the app, you just download the app from your market, connect it via Bluetooth, and that's it. You can just control your odometer from your phone. Isn't it cool? Just activate the blocker and go. Your odometer won't count any miles.